In this video, I'll show you how to save messages on Telegram. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you're on your PC or if you're using your smartphone, this works, right? On both ends, this works. So, right click on the message if you're on your PC. If you're on your Android or your smartphone or your iPhone, select the message. Click on forward. Right here you can see saved messages, right? Forward here to save. So if you want to save a message on your Telegram, you're going to simply forward the message to this save the message option, right? This is what we're going to do. This is where you're going to forward it to. Click on it. If you scroll up, you can see saved messages. You can see the saved messages. So you can do this as well. You can save as many messages as possible, right? Click on the forward it to the saved messages. It's gonna add up right there. So from there you can see a lot of saved messages. So if there's a message like you want to save that you want to look through later in the future, you can simply do this, forward the messages to the saved message option, right? And from there you can do everything well for yourself. This works on PC, it works on any smartphone, any Android. So this video is basically for educational purpose only. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.